What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off the safe search on Google Chrome on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. So what you need to do, first you have to open up the Google Chrome on your browser on your mobile phone. After opening the Google Chrome, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then you have to go to on settings. You have to click on settings. So after going to settings, what you need to do, you have to open up the privacy and security option. You have to click on it. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to privacy and security, what you have to do, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to find the option called safe browsing. This is the option. You have to click on this option, safe browsing. After doing so, this will be on standard protection or the enhanced protection. What you need to do to turn off the safe search on your Chrome browser, you have to click on this no protection option. They will show you a pop-up. To confirm this, you have to click on turn off. So now you're ready to go. You can search. Now you can search on Google Chrome without the safe mode. So this is how you can turn off the safe mode on your Google Chrome browser on your mobile phone. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.